And then what you're going to go to is our Insights dashboard, which is our newest thing, which gives you kind of an overview of your entire business. This is something that when you're running your Amazon business, you're going to want to just look at this every day because it gives you an overview of any issues, anything that's good that's going on. So for example, we've got Atomic here, Atomic Insights. You click on this and it's going to say, it says review and apply negative keyword suggestions. So it's got some new negative keyword suggestions for the PPC campaigns that you should apply, listing optimization. It's going to tell you some things, how to optimize your listing. Inventory, it might tell you you're running low on inventory, or you might want to reorder. So it'll show you that. And then it'll also show you if you have any refunds available. So it looks like there's one potential refund available there. But those alerts are important because if you scroll down, you've got all your products listed right here and you can see the alert for that product. So this alert, it'll expand it out. It looks like the dimensions change. Now that's a really important one because sometimes your dimensions can change and put you into an entire different category, and they might charge you more for FBA because they accidentally measured your product wrong. So this is really an important alert because it can save you a lot of money that, Amazon might be taking from you because they have the wrong dimensions of your product. So these alerts are really, really helpful to set up. And then it'll just show you each product that has an alert, any insights of things that are recommended to update or change. And then it'll also show your profits and losses and sales and all of that great information all in one place. So I love this tool just for like a daily check-in to see, how you're doing. You can see your revenue. You can see how many orders, units sold, your expenses, all that great stuff, all in one easy to read dashboard. And that's pretty good overview of everything. I also wanted to, just point out again that we have these learn bit videos too. If you want more in-depth training on each tool, you can just go and click on those and learn more about the tool that way. So yeah.